Welcome back children to the lesson food components. So in earlier class we discussed about what are the components, 5 components, and we also learned from which food item we can get them, and as well as we also studied how to detect the presence of such food components in different food items. So now as a part of this we are going to discuss about balanced diet, right? So what is meant by balanced diet? Here the name itself indicating it is balanced, means all the nutrients they are present in required quantity. Diet is nothing but food that we are taking. So the food with the components, all components within their range, means the quantity, depending upon the quantity. For example, we eat carbohydrate in more quantity, whereas next we eat proteins, and next we eat fats. After fat we are going to eat vitamins. Leastly we require minerals, right? So as per their quantity that we require, they are divided as per that, right? So first carbohydrate in high quantity, then after protein it follows fat, vitamins, and finally minerals. It means we require mineral in less quantity and we require carbohydrates in more quantity, right? So here the balanced diet, it contain all the components with required quantity, all the components with required quantity, so that it is called balanced diet. It is called balanced diet. So here we have to take the balanced diet. This taking balanced diet, it depend upon the economical condition and food habits, right? So many people they suffer from different diseases due to lack of awareness on the balanced diet. So in our daily food definitely we should include all these food components. For example, all the components they are present in different food items. For example, cereals, if you take the cereals like wheat and rice, or potatoes, sugars, right, etc., they are going to provide carbohydrates, and we can get proteins from pulses, peas, milk, cheese, fish, meat, chicken, eggs, etc. They provide protein for us. Next, whereas fat is present in the butter, ghee, oil, vanaspati, etc., right? And as well as here vegetables and fruits and water, they gives vitamins and minerals. So that in a balanced diet we should include all these items. Even if you are poor, for example, it is a diet plate. So here we have to take rice, a bowl of rice, and 2 chapatis, right? 1 egg, 1 banana, and 1 dal, right? If it is possible, a piece of pickle or ghee. So see here, with this we are going to prepare the balanced diet. Okay, tell me, why should we take the balanced diet? Because in our daily life we are performing different activities, and for the proper growth of the children, balanced diet is very necessary, right? So the required amount of nutrients they should take. For example, in case of children, the children they are grown up children. For example, children like you, you are going to grow up to 19-year-old. So very high rate of growth is there in adolescence. So as per the requirement of your body, you should take the balanced diet. You simply just avoid the junk food. We should not eat junk food, we should eat the healthy diet, right? That to balanced diet. And here balanced diet, it contains balanced amount of these 5 components. Even though if they are imbalanced, it is called complete diet. It is what is called complete diet. What is meant by complete? Means it contains all the components but irregular of their quantities. Complete diet, balanced diet, actually they look like same, but there is a small difference. In complete diet 5 components are there, but their quantity is jig-jog, irregular. Whereas in balanced diet, the quantity of those food items or these 5 components will be in the required quantities only, right? So that we can take complete diet or otherwise balanced diet to maintain healthy healthy environment, right? So here, for example, what you call uh, occupation. For example, if he is a labor, he needs more carbohydrate in his diet. Okay na? Why? Because the normal people, they are doing normal work, whereas a labor, he has to work total day and night. So to work properly, he require more and more energy, so that he should take the balanced diet and carbohydrate rich food he should eat, right? And many people like to eat lot of fat rich foods, such as fried foods, like samosa, puri, pakoda, tikki. So all these are very harmful food. It is not a good habit, right? So eating too much of fat rich food, it causes harm to us, so we should not eat them. We have to what you call, we have to avoid them. If you take more carbohydrates and more fats, then you become obese. Obese मतलब मोटापा मोटापा आ जाएगा आपको, right? So that we should not take the imbalanced rice, right? So as well as about, this is about balanced diet, right? The complete diet examples: milk and egg. Milk and egg both are come under complete diet. Why? Because they contain all the components. Milk and as well as egg, both of them, they contain all the components. So you should take the milk, glass of milk and one egg every day to get the all 5 components for healthy habit, right? Here let us see some problems with the cooking. Here at our house, mother is going to cook the food. For example, if you are eating fruits, you are going to peeling out, right? So we should not peel out the fruits. Why? Because many what you call vitamins and minerals, they are present in the peel. So you are simply taking out the peel and you are eating nothing. There is no use of eating such food, right? For example, the various wasteful pre-cooking practices, they lead to loss of nutrients. Let us see what are they. For example, repeated washing of rice and pulses. Before cooking, your mother is going to wash 3 to 4 times to clean the pulses and rice. We need not to what you call wash them like that. Why? Because if you wash like that, they are going to lose. For example, repeated washing of rice and pulses, they remove the water soluble vitamins from the pulses, and as well as whatever the minerals that are present along with them, you are going to lose by washing repeatedly, right? And next one, washing fruits and vegetables after they have been peeled and cut. एक बार आप पील्ड आउट किया और कट किया, बाद में उसका धोने का कोई मतलब नहीं है, क्योंकि धोने से कुछ वाटर soluble, I already told you, vitamin B and vitamin C, they are water soluble and we don't get them, and they are very important for us. So taking off thick peels from the fruits and vegetables also causes loss of nutrients, right? So we should not do like that. The fruits and vegetables should be first washed and then only peeled and cut. जब आपको पील करना है, पील मतलब उसका ओवर कवर को निकाल देने का, right? Before cutting you should wash it, then you what you call cut it. But before cutting, after cutting you should not wash the vegetables and fruits, right? Next, so cooking of food has many beneficial effects now. Here some foods we should take in raw form, whereas some food should take as a cooked form. Cooking of the food at a high temperature is also causes loss of nutrients, so we should not cook with high temperature, right? Throwing away water in which food is first boiled, right? So we should not add extra water or otherwise. For example, आपका मदर राइस प्रिपेयर कर रहे, जब राइस प्रिपेयर कर रहे उसमें से वो पानी निकाल देगा, वो ऐसा नहीं निकालने का, क्योंकि इट कंटेन विटामिन B1 thiamine, so you are not going to get that proper vitamin. And very bad luck is that vitamin C, it is destroyed easily by heating during the cooking, so we should not heat the vitamin C. So therefore we should include the fresh fruits and raw vegetable salad to get the required vitamin C, right? So let us see the deficiency diseases. What happens if you don't get the food properly? If you don't get balanced diet, then what happens? So if you take the food which don't have one or more nutrients, there is a lack of one or more nutrients in the diet, then it is called malnutrition. What it called? Malnutrition. क्या मतलब है इसका? न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स taking food, malnutrition taking improper food, right? So malnutrition, it leads to different diseases. Malnutrition leads to different diseases. For example, if you don't take the proteins properly, now protein deficiency, we can call it as protein deficiency. So protein deficiency, it causes the disease kwashiorkor, right? It causes kwashiorkor. So kwashiorkor is a disease which is caused by the protein deficiency. जब अपन का खाना में प्रोटीन नहीं मिलेगा, तब we are going to suffer from kwashiorkor disease. So what are the symptoms of kwashiorkor disease? कैसे रहता है ये, right? Actually 1 to 5 year babies को ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, क्योंकि repeated birth and low breastfeeding and lack of awareness of nutrition, it causes protein deficiency. The symptoms of kwashiorkor includes the hair of children become red. The hair become red. बाल लाल रंग में हो जाते हैं. Scaly skin become dry and scaly, right? And as well as here protein, it balances the water in the body. Whereas when there is no protein, the water accumulates in the body, so that the boy face is it become swollen, fluffy face. You used to say fluffy face सूजन आ जाएगा. फेस और लिम्स, हैंड्स एंड लेग्स में सूजन आके वो ओबेस दिखेगा, लेकिन सही में ओबेस नहीं है वो, राइट? एंड ग्रोथ भी स्लो हो जाएगा प्रोटीन कम से, राइट? सो उनका क्या होता है, डिसीज रेसिस्टेंस भी बहुत कम हो जाएगा. एंड द बॉय बिकम वीक and he always suffer from different diseases. So that we should include the protein in our diet, or otherwise we are going to suffer from kwashiorkor disease, right? And next let us discuss about another deficiency disease, that is protein and carbohydrate both. पहला प्रोटीन डेफिशिएंसी, अब प्रोटीन प्लस कार्बोहाइड्रेट दोनों का कम होना. अब देखो इस डिसीज को क्या कहते हैं? मेरास्मस. इट इज कॉल्ड एज मेरास्मस. So marasmus is the disease in which there is a lack of protein and as well as carbohydrate both. So already whatever the symptoms that we studied in protein deficiency, along with that the boy becomes very lean. Why? Because carbohydrates भी नहीं आ रहे उनको, right? So ये 1 साल का या 2 साल का बच्चे को हो सकता है ये रिपीटेड चाइल्ड बर्थ से और पूर न्यूट्रिशन से ये हो सकता है, राइट? सो मेरास्मस डिसीज में प्रोटीन क्वैशियोरकर का सिम्टम्स रहता है, और उसके साथ भी द पेशेंट बिकम लीन एंड थिन and he don't have any energy to move, the growth stops completely and the child weight become very low, right? So these are the many problems that are faced during what you call marasmus disease. It is protein and carbohydrate deficiency disease. So care must be taken, children. We should eat the balanced diet, right? And as well as vitamin deficiency. Let us see vitamin deficiency. Vitamins ना खाने से क्या होगा? So vitamin deficiency, simply I am going to explain you. Vitamin A deficiency causes xerophthalmia. What is this? Xerophthalmia मतलब आंखों का डिसीज. Xerophthalmia, night blindness, right? Night blindness is caused by vitamin A deficiency, right? नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस कहते हैं रात जब 6 बजता है शाम में वो कोई चीज़ को देख नहीं पाते, क्योंकि जब लाइट डल हो जाएगा उनका आंख नहीं काम करती, इसे नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस कहते हैं, राइट? नेक्स्ट विटामिन B1. विटामिन B1 इट इज कॉल्ड थायामिन. सो डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ थायामिन causes beriberi disease. The disease name is beriberi बेरी डिसीज में क्या होगा, हियर द मसल ऑफ द पर्सन बिकम वेरी वीक एंड ही हैज़ वेरी लिटिल एनर्जी टू डू वर्क, एंड सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम, आपका ब्रेन पे भी इफेक्ट पड़ने वाला है, विटामिन B1। सो राइस को बार बार धोने से अपन को ये डिसीज आएगा, इसलिए बार बार ना धोना, राइट। एंड नेक्स्ट विटामिन सी, इट इज ascorbic acid and it is present in citrus fruits. if there is lack of vitamin C, अगर खाने में विटामिन सी नहीं रहा तो he is going to suffer from the disease called scurvy. very important नाना, SCURVY, scurvy disease। स्कर्वी डिसीज में क्या होगा, ये स्कर्वी डिसीज में ब्लीडिंग फ्रॉम द गम्स, जिंजिवाइटिस कहेगा। सो ब्लीडिंग फ्रॉम द गम्स आएगा एंड लॉस ऑफ टीथ एंड एज वेल एज एंड वुंड डू नॉट हील इजीली। जब भी कोई चोट लगते है ना, चोट जल्दी से कम नहीं होगा, राइट। सो दोज आर द प्रॉब्लम्स विथ विटामिन सी डेफिशिएंसी, स्कर्वी डिसीज। एंड विटामिन डी it is called calciferol, and deficiency of it causes rickets disease. The bone become very thin and they become bent. So bent, poor formation of teeth in the children and poor formation of bone, right? So pigeon type chest का मतलब कबूतर का जैसा चेस्ट बन जाएगा। बोन्स सही रहना बोले तो विटामिन डी लेना, और सुबह के टाइम पे सनराइज को एक्सपोज होना पड़ता है, राइट। सो दिस इज अबाउट विटामिन डेफिशिएंसी डिसीजेस। एंड नेक्स्ट कम टू मिनरल डेफिशिएंसी डिसीजेस। हियर मिनरल डेफिशिएंसी डिसीजेस, फॉर एग्जांपल calcium and phosphorus. if you don't take calcium and phosphorus, then what it happens, we are going to lose the bone become very smooth, and you may get rickets because of calcium and phosphorus deficiency. and deficiency of iodine कम रहने से क्या होगा, गाइटर डिसीज आएगा, गाइटर, राइट। गाइटर डिसीज में वजन कम हो जाना या एकदम बढ़ जाना हो सकता है आयोडीन डेफिशिएंसी से, राइट। सो द मेन सिम्टम ऑफ आयोडीन डेफिशिएंसी इज दैट द नेक ऑफ द पर्सन अपीयर्स टू बी स्वॉलन, नेक में सूजन आ जाएगा, राइट। सो ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, eating seafood, actually hill region people they won't get the iodine, so that they suffer from this problem, whereas the coastal area people they get fish contain more iodine, so there is no problem with that, right. And next iron deficiency causes hemophilia, because iron helps in the formation of hemoglobin. जब hemoglobin खून कम होता है तब automatically we are going to suffer from what you call anemia. सो क्या होगा इसमें, पर्सन लुक्स पेल, द कलर पेल कलर बन जाता है, वीक हो जाता है और वेट लॉस होगा। अगर आप नाको ये नेल्स देखा तो वाइट बन जाएगा, राइट। सो ऑल द डेफिशिएंसी डिसीजेस कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड बाय ईटिंग बैलेंस्ड डाइट. We are now in the position to get the good food, so that eat good food and fight with corona, right, and be happy. Thank you. This is the session. Thank you, Nana.